Does your PowerPoint cover slide look like this? Boring and uninspiring? Don't worry. I'll show you how to transform it into something professional and eye-catchy in just a few minutes. Hi, I'm Coach Esther from Ginesti Edu Design Technologies. I help educators and professionals strive with digital tools. Let's dive right into this. Okay, so instead of doing this, you do this. Go to new slide, click on blank, go to insert, choose the rectangle shape, draw it to cover up the slide dimension. Okay, you can take off the outline, click insert, go to text box and draw your text box, type your tests. Increase the font size to type your text. Okay, so let's do this in capital letters. Enter. Okay, so this is my test. I'll move it up, highlight it to change the font style. I want to change it to this, and then I'll have to centralize it. I want it to be at the center. Okay, but once you do that, you select the text, click to select it, hold the control key down to select the shape, click on shape format, go to the merge tool and click combine. After this, go to insert, click on video, click stock videos, and then find something that relates to personal hygiene, something close to it or something that kind of relates. Okay, so we're going to look for, so I'm just going to go through food. Okay, so let me click food. Okay, so let me just choose this. And insert. So the video will cover up the whatever you have on your slide. Once it uploads the video, you click on the video, go to video format, go to send backward and click send to back. So the video goes behind the text and the shape. Okay, so once this is done, you need to change the background from black to something else so that it pops up the text. All right, so let's change the background. Let's change the shape fill. So we're going to change the shape fill to a different color, and let's choose this. I think I love this. Yeah, so this is cool. All right, so I can type the name, text box, and then I can just type the name by Sarah. By Sarah. Okay, so I can decide to highlight this and make it bold, and maybe increase the font a bit. Okay, so this is what I have here. Okay, so this is what we have. So if you're going to play the slideshow, you see how beautiful your slide is. So this is what your slide is going to look like. So I'll show us another way to do this now. So let's go back. Go back to home, click new slide, insert a blank slide. Now instead of inserting the shape first, you're going to insert the text first. Okay, so increase the font. The shortcut to increase your font is Ctrl Shift greater than. You can do that with Ctrl Shift greater than, and then let's type personal hygiene. Okay, so I'd like to increase this a little bit and then adjust this like Okay, so bring it forward, highlight, centralize it, and change the font style to our usual fonts. Okay, so this is what I have here. Yep. Alright, so after this, you're going to insert, click on your rectangle shape, and then start somewhere. Just cover it up from wherever you want your design to begin from. Okay, so let's say I want it to begin from this point, so I'm going to cover it all the way here. Okay, so there are just different ways you can do this, but this is just, I just want to use a straight shape and not a curve. Okay, so this is good, and then I'm just going to change that, the color of the shape to the color I want, and then take off the outline. No outline. Yes. All right, so I'm going to blend this together. So all you need to do is select the shape first, hold your control key down to select the text, go to your merge shape and combine. So once you've combined this is how it's looking. So it's time for us to insert our video now. Okay, so let's insert a video. Go to insert video. No, we're not using this device, we're using stock videos. Okay, so we're going to choose the exact video we used, okay, for the first one. Okay, so let's go straight to food. Okay, food, and our video, insert, and send it to back. Remember, you have to send it to back. Okay, so click the video, go to video format, send backward, and send to back. Okay, so this is what a slide is looking at like. So let's start from the very first one, the very boring slide, and let's see what's happened. So this is our boring slide, and this was what we made, and this is the other video. So which of these cover slide would you try? Try it and let's know how it worked out in the comment section. Thank you.